Today we will be showing you how to replace a tape drive in a Quantum Scalar 50, PX502, and Sun C4 tape library. These libraries all share the same hardware configuration and menu structure. For these videos, we will be showing the replacement procedure using a Quantum Scalar 50 library. However, the procedure is the same for the other libraries as well. This replacement will not require downtime. This procedure will be the same for all variations of drive for these libraries. This includes LTO, SDLT, and DLT-S4, and also fiber channel and SCSI interfaces. The first thing you will need to do is identify the position of the drive that you need to replace. To do this, verify the serial number of the drive by going into the Info menu and going under Hardware, and then scrolling down until you see Drives. This will display the serial numbers of the drives, and you can match the position of the drive up with the serial number of your faulty drive. Make note of the serial number as well. Also, if you are replacing a fiber channel drive, you will need to make note of the worldwide name so that the old and new worldwide names of the drives can be given to the system administrator in case rezoning is necessary. If the drive still has a tape in it, you will need to try and unload it from the menu before doing the drive replacement. To do this, go into the Ops menu from the main screen of the library. Then go into Move Tape. Select the source as Drive, and then select the faulty drive. Then select Magazine as the destination, and choose an empty magazine slot. The command will execute and will let you know when the tape has been moved. If the command fails, you will need to manually extract the tape from the faulty drive once you have finished the replacement procedure. For information on how to perform tape extraction, please see our videos about manual tape extraction for your particular type of tape drive. Once you have determined the position of the faulty drive, you can back out of the Info menu and then go into the Ops menu. From here, go into Drive Operations. Then you will see all of the installed drives displayed by their position. Highlight the position of the faulty drive and hit Enter, and then use the up and down arrows to select the Power Off option in the right-hand corner and hit Enter again. The drive will power off, and then you can go to the rear of the library. As you are looking at the library from the rear, Drive 1 is on the right side and Drive 2 is on the left. The drive that you powered off should have a power light on it that is not lit up, while the other drive should still be lit up. Once you have verified this, you can remove the data cable from the rear of the drive. Now you can use a medium flathead screwdriver to undo the two captive screws holding the drive in place. Once they are undone fully, you can pull the drive straight back and out of the library and set it to the side. Now you are ready to install the replacement. Line up the replacement drive in the empty drive bay, ensuring it is flat and level. Push the drive in slowly until you feel it begin to make contact with the backplane. Then push firmly to seat the drive completely and tighten the screws to secure the drive in the library. Reinstall the data cable going to the drive and ensure that the drive power light is on before returning to the front of the library. Now, go into the Info menu and go into Hardware and then Drives. Verify that the drive position reflects a new serial number than the one shown for the faulty drive. If it does, your drive replacement is complete. If it does not, you will need to try power cycling the drive using the Ops menu from earlier to power the drive off and then back on. Then ensure that the serial number has updated. If you have any issues with the drive replacement procedure or the replacement drive does not fix your errors, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.